Welcome to Goa 365 English News Bulletin. I am Glenn and these are the headlines. At 4,529, India reports the highest COVID-related deaths in the last 24 hours since the pandemic began, with 31 of them being in Goa, even as daily COVID-19 cases decrease for the 6th straight day. Government will decide whether there is a need for extension of curfew in the state by Saturday, says the Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant. Under construction bridge on the National Highway at Barseng collapses. Fortunately, no one injured. Locals want to know how. And now for the news in detail. Cyclone Taukte wreaked havoc across Goa. In many places, the power supply has still not been restored. The work of clearing trees fallen on the roads, on houses and restoring the power supply is still in progress. Here's an overview. The emergency services in the power department have been kept busy the moment cyclone hit the state. The trees and poles fell on houses, cars and blocked major roads. Most parts in Goa were left with no power. The power department staff are working around the clock with outdated equipment, restoring the power despite the cyclone. The chief electrical engineer on Tuesday told Goa 365 that the power department faced a loss of 22 crores during the cyclone and that 99% of the power in the state had been restored. The chief minister puts the total loss in the state at around 35 to 40 crores.
See, our department suffered a loss of about 22 crores to be precise, which we have assessed. So it amounts to almost 45 kilometer length of snapped conductors, ST, LT, which included about 1,500 poles were bent, out of the 700 were totally broken, which have to be now replaced. All these lines have to be restrung, with new poles, new conductors, and this whole exercise. Now we have presently what we have done all restoration works we have done now. Means we have ensured that power is available for all the consumers. See, by today we will be doing almost 99%, I can say. We will complete everything. Everything will be completed. Maybe some few things may remain which will also be done late night or early morning. That also will get completed. So now our next focus will be for next 15 days. Now we have to further improve upon that, strengthen the thing. Means straighten the poles, broken poles have to be replaced. So that will go on for next 10 to 15 days.
In Bicholi Taluka alone, the loss has been pegged at more than 35 lakhs.
जवळजवळ 60-62 कॉला येयल्ली. हितून ऑलमोस्ट 20 कॉला आसा ती मेजर कॉल आसा आनी ती घरार पडलेली आसा आनी उरलेली थोडीशी आसा ती रोड्सार पडल्या आनी थोडी ऑफसाईड हितून कोणाच्या बागायत्यान बीन पडलेली आसा आनी आमी ऑलमोस्ट 29 कॉल्स आतां अटेंड केल्ली आसा आनी आतां आमचे दोनूय गाडयो 24/7 लोकांच्या हेल्पा खातीर भायर गेल्ले आसा आनी हे झाडां क्लियर करपाचें काम आसा तें चालू आसा आनी हितून शिरगांव हांगासर एक वड पडला व्हडलो जो 3-4 घरांचेर पडला आनी भितर एक बायल इंजर्ड जाली ती मागीर सेल्फ तेंच्यांनी रेस्क्यू करून मागीर फर्दर ट्रिटमेंटान हॉस्पिटलान धाडलेली आसा आनी जवळ म्हाका दिसता 30 लाखाच्या वयर हांगा हानी जाल्ली आसा.
Keeping in mind the cyclone aftermath, the last date to collect rations have been extended till 27 May, Minister of Civil Supplies Govind Gowde said.
एअर प्रायसाचो सिच्युएशन प्रमाणे आमी आज 21 तारखे आमची जी लास्ट डेट आसा ती आजू तुमकां म्हाका प्रायसाक आमी नोट दिल्ली आसा की वी हॅव एक्सटेंडेड टू 27th ऑफ दीस लास्ट डेट आनी त्याच प्रमाणे प्रत्येक दुकान फेअर प्रायस जे आमचे गोडाउन्स जे आसा ते गोडाउन्स फूल आसात आमकां नवो माल हाडपाक शकना आउट ऑफ 5,300 मेट्रीक टन ऑफ कडधान्य जे आसा आनी 3,800 मेट्रीक टन ऑलरेडी आमच्या गोडावांनी पाविल्ले आसात आनी ते गोडावन जशे खाली जाले तशे बाकीचे उरलेले आमी 1,500 मेट्रीक टन ते आमी विदिन ह्या शॉर्ट स्पॅना भितर आमी हाडून घेतले.
The BJP state president Sadanand Seth Tanawade spoke on the destruction caused by the cyclone.
इलेक्ट्रिसिटी डिपार्टमेंट आसत, फायर ब्रिगेड आसत, हे पुलीस डिपार्टमेंट आसत आनी मोठ्या प्रमाणात त्या भागातले बरेचशे NGO वेगवेगळे लोक हे सहकार्य करत आसत. पण कोणें अशें म्हणूना की झाड कापप हें केवळ फायर ब्रिगेडचें काम अशें म्हणा, पुलीस डिपार्टमेंटानूय तांकां मदत करप. लोकांनी थोडें म्हणून हांवें पुलिशेचें काम अशें न्ही, सगळ्यांनी सार्वजनीक रित्या एखाद्या गांवा भितर हांवें पळयल्या इलेक्ट्रिसिटी डिपार्टमेंटाच्या स्टाफाक गांवचे लोकूय मदत करतले, कारण प्रत्येकाक लायट येवं जाय. लोक आशेन वाट पळयतले, कारण 2 दीस कंटिन्यू 4 दीस जाल्यात, म्हणजे साधारण एक शेनवार पासून सुरू सांजचे, शेनवार रातचे पासून शेनवार आयतार फुडले काल सोमार जालो आनी आज कांय भागा भितर आजुनूय लायट येवना. आनी त्या लागून इलेक्ट्रिसिटी डिपार्टमेंट काम करतात. पण एक बरें दिसता गोंयकारांचे इतले त्रास सहन करून सुद्दां लोकांकूय खबर आसा की इतलें हें महाभयंकर जें संकट येता आमच्यानी, तुफान जें गोंया भितर आयलें आनी बरें मोठ्या प्रमाणान जीं झाडां पडिल्लीं आसात, वायली तुटून पडलेल्यो आसा आनी ताका लागून लोकांनी पेशन्स दिले. पण म्हाका दिसता इलेक्ट्रिसिटी डिपार्टमेंट आयज सांज मेरेन गोंय भरलें उरलेलें काम पूर्ण करून तेंच्यांनी आतां हळूहळू वेगवेगळ्या ज्या भागा भितर काम पूर्ण जाल्लें आसा त्या तालुक्यांतले लोक दुसरे कडेन व्हरप हें करून तें काम करप सुरू केल्लें आसा.
William Rodrigues and Mahesh Goenkar for Goa 365 from Panaji and Bicholi. A new bridge being constructed on the national highway at Barsang collapsed on Wednesday. The construction work of the bridge was on when this incident took place. Fortunately, none of the workers were injured. However, spooked locals want an inquiry into how a new bridge could collapse. Here's more.
वो जो रोड आसा वो नॅशनल हायवे 17 आनी वो मडगांव टू पोळ्या. आज बारशा हांगा जो हायवेचो नॅशनल हायवेचो 17चेर जे पुलाचें काम आसलें तें काम चालू आसलें आनी हें काम चालू आसले कडेन आज तुमी फाटल्यान पळयतात की जो न्यू ब्रिज बांदतालो हो ब्रिज आज मोडोन गेले कडेन आसा. हो जर अशी ब्रिज जर अशें जर मोडपा लागले, जर गाडी वचप कश्यो, ही जर गाडी जर अशें करून जर हो जर ब्रिज जर चालू आसलो आनी गाडी जर अशी हेजे वयल्यान गेल्ली, कदाचित किती इन्सिडेंट जायत आसलो हो कोणाच्यान सांगपाक जायना. आज ह्या नॅशनल हायवे 17चेर इतली गाडी वयतात की मेचूं मेळनात. व्हडले व्हडले कंटेनर टँकर हे सगळी ह्या रोडा वयल्यान वयतात. पूण हांगा ह्या ब्रिजाची परिस्थिती पळयली जायत कितें जाली ती पळयात. न्यू बांदता तो ब्रिज जर अशी जर जावपा लागलो, जर पोन्ने ब्रिजान कितें करप. आज तेज कुशीक जो ब्रिज आसा तो पुर्तुगीज टायमा वयलो ब्रिज, पूण आज पर्यंत बरो आसा. आनी हे न्यू जे ब्रिज बांदतात ते ब्रिज कशें मोडल्या ते पळय. फाल्यां जर हायवे चालू केली जाल्यार फाल्यां कितें घडपाक शकता. तेज खातीर लोकांले डिमांड आसा की बेगीच्या बेगीन हो जर कोण बांदताले तेंचेर इन्क्वायरी जावची आनी हेंचो जे काम आसा तें चॅक करचें आनी मुखारच ह्या पुला वयल्यान सोडपा दिवचें. गोवा 365 खातीर बार्शी साकून रमेश नायक रावत.
Cyclone Tauktae disrupted day-to-day life in Goa for the past 4 days. The cyclone has raised questions about the planning on how to handle disasters in the state. The opposition Congress has hit out at the government for its lack of foresight and planning. Here's more.
Government knew of the cyclone, so it should have taken precautionary measures and planned better. However, no steps were taken. Hundreds of poles were uprooted. Electrical equipments failed. Government does not have the equipments, alleged Congress. Spokesperson Amarnath Panjikar demanding resignation of Power Minister Nilesh Kabral for his lack of vision and foresight. Farmers have suffered loss, but the BDO and Agriculture Minister is missing, Amarnath alleged.
16 तारखेर गोंयान तोते नांवाचें चक्रीवादळ येयलें आनी ह्या चक्रीवादळान आमकां दिश्टी पडलें की गोंयची जी आपतकालीन वेवस्था आसा तेचें कशें मरण जाल्लें आसा, तेचें कशें निसंटण जाल्लें आसा हें आमी पळयलें. आयज 4 दीस जाता आनी 4 दीस जाल्या उपरांत सुद्दां आयज गोंयच्या कितल्याशाच वाठारांनी आयज लोकांक लायट ना, कोणाक उदक ना, सगळ्या लोकांचें जनजीवन हें विस्कळीत जाल्लें आसा. पण त्याच बरोबर ह्या विभागाचे जे मंत्री आसा ते मंत्री फेल जाल्ले आसा. जेन्ना तुमकां खबर आसा की चक्रीवादळ येवपाचें आसा तेन्ना तुमचें डिजास्टर मॅनेजमेंट, तुमचें प्लॅन तयार आसपाक जाय, तुमचें एक्शन प्लॅन, तुमच्यो सगळ्यो साधन सुविधा तुमचे कडेन तयार आसपाक जाय, त्यो तुमचे कडेन आयज तयार नासल्यो. शेकड्यांनी तुमचे लायटीचे खांबे हुमटून पडले, कितलेशेच तुमचे ट्रान्सफॉर्मर फेल जाले, कितलेशेच तुमचे लायटीची उपकरणां फेल जालीं. ही रिप्लेस करपाक तुमचे कडेन सद्या ना. तुमी ती तयारी दवरली ना हें दाखोवन दिता की पावर मिनिस्टर जो आसा निलेश काब्राल हो त्या पदाक लायक ना आनी तेणी आपणाचें पद सोडल्यार चड बरें. आयज कितलेशेच शेतकाऱ्यांची शेती नुकसाण जाल्लें आसा. तेंचेर नदर दवरपाक गोंय राज्याचो शेतकी मंत्री बाबू कवळेकार खंय व्हिडिओ खंय पळयता आनी खंय कोणाक व्हिडिओ धाडटा कोणाक खबर. PWD मिनिस्टर पावसकार हो खंय आहा तोय खबर ना. कितल्याशाच लोकांक उदक ना, कितल्याशाच रस्त्यांची इबाड जाल्ली आसा. हो मंत्री खंय आहा तेंय कोणाक खबर ना.
The BJP, which used to say party with difference, is now a party with differences. Party is busy in solving differences within its leaders. It has no time to solve people's issues. Amarnath observed tongue in cheek.
BJP सदांच आपणाक स्वताक पार्टी विथ अ डिफरन्स म्हणटा, पण ही पार्टी आयज तेंच्या नेत्यां मदीं जे डिफरन्सीस आसा ते पयस करपाक गुंतलेले आसा. लोकांचे प्रश्न पयस करपाक तांकां टायम ना.
Bureau Report, Goa 365.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. The government will decide whether there is a need for extension of curfew in the state by Saturday after taking a review meeting, the Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant said on Wednesday. He said that the decision will be taken after taking stock of the situation from the collectors and the health officials. The State Department had imposed a 15-day curfew in the state from May 9 to May 23rd. However, though the cases have decreased in the last couple of days, the deaths are still high and the healthcare infrastructure is still not fully in place.
अजून तर एक डिसिजन घेण्यासाठी आम्ही शनिवार दिसाचा रिव्ह्यू जो असा तो परवा रिव्ह्यू जाता.
Mahesh Goekar for Goa 365 from Bicholi. India reported the highest number of deaths since the pandemic, 4,529. Out of these, 31 are in Goa. The daily COVID-19 cases are decreasing for the 6th straight day, with the country seeing 2,67,334 COVID-19 cases in the last 24 hours. Goa saw 1,209 new cases. With this, the total tally of cases has reached 2.54 crores and the death toll is 2.83 lakhs. The active cases are 32.26 lakhs nationwide and 22,964 in Goa. Here are the details.
10 states reported 74.46% of the new cases in last 24 hours. Tamil Nadu has reported the highest daily cases at 33,509, followed by Kerala with 31,337 new cases. India's total active case load has decreased to 32,26,719 today, a net decline of 1,27,046 is witnessed in last 24 hours. It now comprises 12% of the country's total positive cases. 8 states cumulatively account for 69% of India's total active cases. More than 20 lakh tests were conducted in last 24 hours, the highest ever conducted in a single day in India, while the daily positivity rate has declined to 13.31%. Bureau Report, Goa 365.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. People are dying of COVID-19 due to the government's negligence. This is a regular allegation made by the people. However, the people too have a social responsibility to keep themselves and others safe from the virus, but that is not happening. For example, markets are still crowded. Masks are being worn below the nose or not worn at all. And even worse, no designated authority seems to be bothered. Watch the rush at the Ponda market. Now for the weather. Light to moderate rainfall occurred all over Goa. Temperatures were appreciably below normal over North Goa and just below normal over South Goa districts of the state. The highest maximum temperature of 30.6 degrees centigrade was recorded at Murmugaon. Mapsa, Murugao, Kepe and Sange saw 3 centimeters of rain each, while Panjim and Ponda saw 1 centimeter each of rain. With that, we have come to the end of this news bulletin. For more news and updates, log on to our website www.goa365.tv. Follow us on Facebook, Goa365TV, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Goa365TV, or download our app, which is available on both Android and iPhones, to watch all the latest news and updates on your mobile. Take care, stay safe, and keep watching Goa365.